My name is William Hain. I live in Abilene, and I spent 20 years in the United States Army as a 91 Fox, which is small arms tank turret, some hydraulics, some electrical repair, and I just really couldn't find anything that I liked with any of that skill set, so I said I'm going to try something new, something I never even tried, and I'm really happy I did. So what I did is I researched to find the better colleges to go to, and Scientech, for what I want to do, actually turned out to be one of the better ones. So I said, okay, I'll give them a chance, and I've been really happy I did. I have learned an exponential amount of how machining is done. I know you get machine parts. I know you send an engine out to get rebuilt. You know, they bore it out, but how do they bore it? What do they do? How do they do it? You learn all that. And then as well as, if you got an interest in foundry work, they have a small foundry they use to show you how the metals react. We have forging to see how you can heat treat metals, what happens with different metals when you do things with them. It's just been the best adventure I've ever had in learning anything.